Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is O'Neill and this is the Lions 5. So my chicken is already in the water, so I'm going to clean it. So let's go. I had some vinegar, and the chicken you have to wash properly. So let's do this properly. You actually can use any part of the chicken, but I like the leg and thigh. And my kids, they love it too. So I just go with them. Leg and thigh. Remember guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't worry about the mess guys, I'll clean it as soon as I am through. They always say when guys cook, it's kind of messy, but I clean it when I'm done. After I finish clean my chicken and my lamb, this is how it's looking. And I just make some cut on the chicken just for the seasoning to marinate. So this is the Jack seasoning. I can make it of my own, but I just don't have the time, so I buy it at the shop, Grace. This one is mild, and I'll just pour it on the chicken and also on the lamb, and you just rub seasoning inside, all cubits, all corner. Depending on how much chicken you're jerking, you know how to use your seasoning. So I'll just use all of this. After you finish, you start putting it in your tray. Make sure all the seasoning get in all the corners of the chicken and the part that you slice. ready. So I'll do this in 2 portions. This is what's left, so I'll just pour this on the chicken. So I'll cover this for half an hour, and then half an hour I'll take the foil off and just let it catch color. So when I take it out, I'll let you see how it is, guys. Now it's not done, but it's half an hour. And I take off the covering. And this is how it's looking. So that's all the water that it sweats. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove some of this water, and it's going to catch some good color. It smells so nice. The lamb have a smell to it that's very nice. I'll use just some of the water to let it just to pour back on it. So I'm going to put it back in the oven now and just let it catch some nice color. Yes, people, it is all done. This is how it is looking. That is the lamb. I've never done the lamb before, and it comes out really nice. Look at that. Look at that. Let me taste it here. That's the chicken, and let me serve. All it takes is a little patience. Yeah. It tastes so good. So that's it. You guys can try it when you have the time. But that's all I have for you today. And I'll see you guys in the next video.